about what growth engineering is and what it isn't. We'll break off myths and everything that people think it is and what it isn't. So what is growth engineering? Now, it's the mindset and process of systematically and consistently advancing in a company towards its strategic objectives. What does this mean? This simply means that at the beginning of the year, most companies set their goal, or at the end of the year, say Q4 of the year for the following year, they set in their goals and objectives and say KPIs that they want to achieve for their business. So for instance, if they say, oh, we want more customers, or we want our current customers to, 10x their purchase, and 10x means that we want them to buy like 10 times more than they used to buy. Those are like objectives. So what are the key initiatives that we need to do? What's the mindset we need to have to ensure that we are putting things in place systematically and also being consistent about it to be able to get us the results that we need to achieve just this objective, these goals and objectives. So that's what basically growth engineering is. It's all about knowing that the next 1 year, the next 2022, the entire 2022, I want to scale my business. I want to grow my business. So what are the OKRs, meaning what are the objectives? What are the key results I'm looking for? What are the initiatives I need to put in place? So it's all about scaling my business. And we're going to go into the different aspects of scaling the business.